So hi everybody, this is Friday the 21st of August. This is the spelling test for AR, and I thought I'd give you a lovely beach scene to look at. We'll be calm, we will think about the letters, we will think about the sounds that match the letters. Okay, so there'll be 8 words of AR in them and 2 words from your 100 most used words. If you are in Genesis group, you are welcome to do all 10 words. Give it your best shot. If not, I would like you to do the first 6 words. You must do those words. All right? Okay, make sure you've got the date at the top. Let's go. First word is, I have a white car. The word is car. So write number 1 and write car next to it. Number 2, it was in your dictation before. Pigs live on a farm. Right, farm. Number 3, it gets dark at night. Right, dark. Number 4, this spelling test is not too hard. Hard. And number 5, it would be nice to go to the park. Right, park. I'm going to say those first 5 words again. If you need to make any changes, please do that, but no rubbing out. Car, farm, dark, hard, park. Okay, number 6 and 7. If you can spell farm, you can spell this next word. So farm was your second word. Now I'm going to add a suffix to it and make another word. Farmer. That's your word. Farmer. And if you can spell park, you can spell this next word. Parking. Where are you parking the car? Parking. Number 8, star. You're a star in my eyes. Star. And the last 2 words are from your 100 most used words. Please get out of your car safely. Out. Out. And the last word is get. So I put those 2 words into one sentence. Please get out of your car safely. So number 9 is out and number 10 is get. I'm going to go through them again. Make sure that you've got the right letters to the right sounds and you're happy with it and you've done your best writing. Car, farm, dark, hard, park, farmer, parking, star, out, get. So I hope you did well. Upload to Seesaw for me when you're done.